Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that YFI token broke out another falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very powerful move to the upside, by the way, from this low when we were testing the support of the wedge here up till this high. It pumped almost 247%. but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11,240. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now you can see it worked as a resistance here. And this is the most recent rejection we had once again here in the first week of March 2024. However, during this move, the price line has also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing the previous resistance of the cloud as a support. You can see that previously it tested this level of support here, and now again it is testing. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Loca, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 6th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of YFI token, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after the month of March 2021 it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel, and before the breakout it formed another down channel and broke out both channels together here in the month of January 2023, but got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see it was also rejected by this long-term resistance of $11,240 that had been previously working as a resistance here, and after the breakout from this wedge, it again worked as a resistance here and resistance here as well. By the way, the target for this smaller down channel and from this falling wedge pattern was also here at $11,240, and you can see that after the breakout we had a spike long than this target. By the way, from this support, when we were dropped down at the support of the channel, and we had a long spike, by the way, to the downside up till this high. So far it has recovered more than 297%. And now we need to break out this key resistance of $11,240 in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now, recently we had broken down this support of $8,000 that was previously working as a resistance here, and support here and resistance here as well. And therefore, now we will also need to break out this resistance of $8,000 as well. Right now it is testing this support of $6,900 that had been previously working as support here, and resistance here, support here, and almost as a resistance here as well. Almost for 1 and 2 weeks it has been working as a resistance here, and therefore now we need to keep an eye on this support. At the same time, it is also testing the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support as well. You can see we had a long spike to the downside. We tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud but did not break it down, and it is also working as a nice support. Now if you take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that move is by the way still due. That is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.